Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're unboxing the new MacBook Air M1, and just to keep the ecosystem going really well, this is being recorded on the iPhone 12 Pro Max direct from the camera. So what does the audio sound like as well? Does it sound pretty good or not? So the MacBook Air M1. So I've never had an Air before. I used to use a MacBook Pro and I had the 2019 version, and I've been thinking for a while about upgrading or selling it and getting a different one. So one thing I didn't like about the MacBook Pro I had, it was the base model 2019 version. So it only had 128 gigabytes of storage, whereas the new MacBook Pro, this is the base model, comes with 256. So I'm getting double the storage capacity, which is when you're editing videos and photos, that's memory goes really quick. So when this was announced that the base model is going to come with 256, then that was brilliant. And also from seeing all the videos, the performance coming from this thing is incredible. Most of the programs working with it aren't even optimized yet. It is just so fast from all the videos I've seen and breaking records compared to old MacBook Pros. The old MacBook Pro I had, the 2019 one, this smashes it on the Geekbench scores and performance and editing and photos, just what I need it for. So this is a no-brainer to me. And also it only costs £999. So anyway, let's get this unboxed. So push this up. So that's really pushed in there. And there it is. So I've gone for the space grey one. Okay, so I'll just push that to the side first. Just show you what you get in the box. So the difference to the MacBook Pro is that this comes with the USB-C charging cable and the iPhone literature in here. I hope you're still doing the stickers. I've never used them, but I know they are getting rid of quite a few things. Yeah, the stickers are still there. That's good. And that's it, nothing else. Anyway, we don't need that. Who uses any of this? So then it also comes with this new power brick, which I believe is, yeah, it's a 30-watt USB-C power adapter. So that's the difference between the Pro. This only comes with 30 watts power adapter, the USB-C cable and the plug, and that is it. That's all you get inside of the box. So that's the difference that you're going to get with the Pro. You're going to get a faster charge with the Pro model compared to this. Now also these MacBook M1s have got a much better battery life, with the M1 chip being more efficient, and that's going to be also a great advantage. So there's not much difference between the size and weight between this and the Pro. This weighs 1.29 kilograms and the MacBook Pro weighing in at 1.4. So the weight, you're going to tell, it is slightly thinner on the sides, definitely. So anyway, let's get this open. So once you open it now, it's going to go back to the old Apple chime. So you've got the noise. The MacBook Air doesn't have the touch bar, whereas the Pro does. So I never really used the touch bar. It was almost a bit of a gimmick, and I know some people like it, some people don't, but for me, I don't really miss that whatsoever. However, a thing that I did use was the Touch ID, and fortunately this still has the Touch ID on the side here, so that's really good. A thing that I do like on these new MacBooks and Big Sur is the ability now to use iPhone and iPad apps on the actual MacBook. So I'm going to be testing those out and doing some videos. But an app you can now use, which if you've got an iPad, is you can now use LumaFusion on the MacBook. So if you can maybe start a video on the iPad and then transfer it directly over to your laptop and finish off over there. If you're looking for an iPhone or an iPad app, you just go into your app store and you can search for, say, LumaFusion. It'll actually show no results coming up, but if you click on the iPad and iPhone apps here, you've then got the results you would get if you then was on your iPhone or iPad. So you just click on the LumaFusion here and you can download this direct onto your Mac. And in future updates, this will get better and better, but it does support HDR. So at the moment, Final Cut isn't brilliant with HDR footage. You have to do some workarounds and editing. So the only options you've got on here as the easiest ones are probably iMovie or LumaFusion. So now the ability to actually have this on your laptop is even better. So that's the new M1 MacBook Air unboxing. I'm going to be downloading a few different apps to see what this is like compared to the old MacBook with regards to photo editing, video editing, playing games. So I'm going to be putting this to the test just to see how good this MacBook Air is. So I hope you found that useful, and it'd be great if you can subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you very soon for some more MacBook Air videos. Thank you.